Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll share stuffed vegetable curry recipe with you. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Heat some oil in a cooker. Add cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Let it cook until it absorbs water. Add spices. Mix it. Add tomato puree. Let it cook for 5 minutes. These are stuffed vegetables. We'll add potatoes at the bottom because cooking time of potatoes is more. Then we'll add round gourd. Let's add stuffed baingan. Cooking time of ladyfinger is less, so we'll add it on the top. Add water. Add salt. Close the cooker lid. Let all ingredients cook for 3 whistles. Stuffed vegetable curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with roti or naan or tandoori roti or rumali roti or rice. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit like icon if you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Click on notification icon for notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching.